a new student, someone who's just beginning their journey, how would the Rav recommend studying? Let's say the person is in their 40s or 50s. They have no classic Jewish education, and they start listening to it, and they very much enjoy it. Should they buy the art scroll and read along beforehand?
For the Matmonim itself, it would be good for them to use the source sheet and then use a resource like Sefaria, which provides English translation and so on. So almost, I would imagine that 80% of what I quote in the source sheet can be found on Sefaria, and a lot of it with translation. So that would be to broaden their understanding and appreciation of the text. The piece of Gemara, the piece of Talmud on which the Matmonim is based, is something they could study inside. So textual learning is really important, to look at it inside, to see the actual words, to see where it's written, to see how it's written, and to spend time reflecting. We go too fast. We gather information and we move on. This is about taking some time out and reflecting. And myself, as I prepare it, a lot of it is reflecting. Once I've decided on the few lines that I'm going to focus on, I will spend a lot of time just reflecting before I'm even going into anything. What does this really mean? How does it apply? What are some of the key questions? What's bothering me about it? What is not bothering me about it, but maybe should be bothering me about it? A lot of time for reflection. So it's not about gathering information. Learning Torah is not about gathering information. It's about reflecting deeply on what you're exposed to. And the next big thing would be to get a teacher. The teacher could be a friend who's had a bit of learning. A teacher could be somebody else who's doing the Matmonim. A teacher could be a rabbi. It doesn't matter who it is. And now we can talk to each other across the world on Zoom or on the phone. It doesn't have to be somebody close by. Get somebody to learn with. Don't try and do it on your own.